Just wait till my mom gets out, because today I'm doing my makeup video. And is everybody there? Because I'm doing my other, if you've seen my other makeup video, I did it in the kitchen. I couldn't do it because it's too loud. And then I got the same stuff. But if they're not the other people watch the other video, just if there's no persons, just I'll show you. I take that as a yes. There's no persons. Here's all the colors, and I'll show you. There's black, brown, green. That Ian made me Frankenstein for a lot of green. Green, blue, brown, gold, and blue, silver, brown. Okay, it's in all of these. You can see the gold, or see this gold. Here is silver with the other silver. Those are silvers. Here's the gold and gold. So, and here's my brush. I brushed it today, and I take the bath. But we don't need to brush today because I would brush. So, and this kind of hurt like that. They said people saw. Here's this, goes with this. You can just do it with my brushes if you want. Put on your eyes. And here's my lipstick. There's any kind if you want. And there's also another lipstick. Here. My other lipstick. Here's my more makeup. That goes with the brushes too. And here's chopstick to make the lipstick stay on. And here's the lipstick stuff. And here's other lipstick stuff. I just like getting so itchy. Here's the other makeup lipstick thing. Here's the other lipstick thing. And I have one more thing. No, this is a brush. And here's a towel to wipe off my makeup. But I need wet. Just hold on 1 second. I almost done. Here's the brush too. You can do whatever you want, but not pin. You only can pin it on. You can do it with this too. So I'm gonna put this wet. I'm gonna go in my sink and get this wet, okay? And so I can wipe off my makeup. So just wait there 1 second. Okay, I'm back. I was just getting this wet. And I got it wet. So, let's get started. So, we're going to start with the lipstick stuff. So, what kind you want me to choose in here? I'll show you what color I really love. I really love that color. I want to show you me in this color. I have hiccups today, so bother my hiccups. But don't bother the talking. Okay, I look at like in this, but I gonna wash off it till you guys see that there's wash off this which part. It's hard to find the wetness part, so just ignoring the wetness part. Why? Now don't. So we're not gonna wear this color today. We can wear the other color, okay? Some other colors. So let's use different. Let's dry off this. Okay, and then use others. Where's there's one under my bed. I got a new room. I switched with Lucas. Is it still under my bed? I think. Yep, it's under my bed. Yep, get out of there. Okay, I definitely need Mommy. Get this one now. You get the. There you are. Now, I need to choose another one for today. So I can choose this one. I never did this one, I think. Okay. You better get in that. So where's the pebble? Me, silly. And you know, these can come off. It comes off when I read it off. So, if my brother comes in, just ignore him. Because it's pretty loud when I went downstairs. So, now, let's start with my eyes. Just a second, I'm gonna do something. Now let's get this on so it doesn't like fall off. Smell it. It's so good. So very good. So my mother gave these my makeup. That mother is my mom's. And now let's start with this. Okay. On. Sits down. And the colors. What's you? So today I just wanted to show you. I take the bath because my face was so dirty. I didn't want to take a bath because your private parts. Oh, there's a counting up there. that. So, I don't know what we can do when it's done at the counting. I hope it doesn't pause. Here's then. Okay, be done with that. Okay, done with that eyeball. This is my mom's phone, and I got a new one. Let me show you around. There's the door, and there's stuff. There's those stuff with those and those. That one with the unicorn, that it was sold. I don't even remember it when somebody made it for me. So I can set you guys down, okay? Because there's just a stand here that made you. And then it made you when we died. And it's from Mommy's camera. Okay. Since we're done with the lipstick and eyes, I don't know what we could be. So, done with that. I guess we are. Okay. I don't know what I should I had a broken closet on the other room that where Lukey goes now. Lukey shares a room with Ian. I'll show you a picture of them with Lucas. I'll show you which one is me. You could tell which one is me. Me is the one where you can kind of see. Mine was with the kind of like almost done with the shirt, and Lucas is all the wrap when he was born. Ian is with the no. Okay, so